In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone who wants to put a personal project out there on the internet, Canva offers an easy to use platform that makes website creation a breeze. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Canva and in the search bar at the top, type website. What you're doing here is searching for Canva's array of website templates. These are pre-designed sites that make starting out much easier than designing from scratch. Once you hit enter, you'll see a variety of templates displayed before you. Take a moment to browse through and find one that aligns with your vision or project needs. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. This will bring up a larger display of the template, giving you a closer look at its layout and design. Don't worry if you find minor elements you're not totally in love with, you'll be able to customize all these parts shortly. Now you'll want to click on Customize this template. This action takes the template and opens it up in Canva's editor, allowing you to make it your own. And here's where the fun truly begins. You have full creative control over your site's appearance, from text to images and beyond. For now, let's focus on editing the text. Click on any area of the template that contains text. When you do this, a text box will open and you can start editing straight away. Adjust the wording to suit your needs, whether it's a brand tagline, your product description, or a personal introduction. Make it represent you. Next up is images. These are a key component of any website as they provide visual context and appeal to your audience. You can easily change pictures within your template by dragging and dropping new ones. If you've got images stored on your device that you'd like to use, simply drag your files into Canva and click upload. Your new images will appear in your upload library on the left side of the screen. Once your images are uploaded, it's time to incorporate them into your design. Click on one of your newly uploaded images and drag it over to replace an existing picture on the template. Canva makes this process effortless, allowing you to position your new images exactly where you want them with ease. And there you have it, a fully customized website created using Canva. Remember, the great thing about Canva's platform is that you can experiment and make changes as many times as you'd like until you get everything just right. Enjoy creating your site, and thanks for watching this tutorial. Happy designing!